Guys, right here, we have the Yosuda indoor cycling bike. This is the newest piece of equipment to my home gym. Let's unbox this and put it together. This is a heavy box, so they shipped it really well. So here we go. Open, open, boom. A little bit heavy. Now we're gonna lift up, but here we go. Wow. All right, so let's go ahead and take out all these components. And we got this piece. Okay, and ooh, both left and right pedal. Got both of them. And our handlebar. Aha, we have the feet. Here's the other feet component. You notice this one, it's got wheels. We have the instruction manual and the extra brake pad here. With all of our tools and our hardware for installation. Exercise computer with included AA batteries right here. Oh yeah, this is quality built right here. Yosuda indoor cycling bike. We got the seating pad here. Here's our seat. Oh, like a real bicycle seat. Cushy material. Got some springs here for extra dampening. This is your foam mount for the handlebar. There it is. The Yosuda indoor cycling bike. This thing has a good weight to it. It's not too light, but it's not too heavy either. You don't want it too light because then it will wobble around when you're using it. You don't want it too heavy because then you can't move it around when you need to relocate it. So it's about a good amount of weight here. Okay, let's go ahead and follow instructions and put everything together, shall we? Here's one washer. Here's the other washer. We'll put the nut on. And okay, there we go. Tighten it up. Go ahead and do the back side. Same thing. Get back in. Okay. So, our feet is now installed. We have our feet installed. This is the right side. Here's the right side. Here's our right pedal. Just tighten the pedals. There's a nut here. You put the nut on the other side of it, and that locks it in place for you. And that should lock your pedal in place, but allow you to have still movement in the pedal. Perfect. Let's repeat that process on the other side of the bike. There we go. Once you get to the end of it, you can give it a little bit of force. Pedals in. Now we use this nut on this side to lock it in place. Just remember the threads are goofy because they're not your righty-tighty, lefty-loosey threads. It's opposite. So make sure you get the holes lined this way, and we're sliding this piece in here. And then the pins lock in place. It's just the height. Sweet. Okay. We'll line this here, and then we can tighten it up. This will give us a fore and back adjustment for our seat. So our seat can go fore and back, and I can also go up and down based on this too. So once you align this hole right here with the seat, looks good. The seat is tight. Adjust the height to our height now. You can slide this down, pull the pin, and this will be the front. See? You can adjust the height there. Let's grab our handlebar, and let's see how the handlebar aligns. And we'll put this in here. We'll hand tighten it for now. Okay. And of course, once you have the height, we can lock this in right here. So the handlebar is very solid. See? Now it's super solid. It's gonna snap in. So you see where the snapping points are? Right here and right here. So you push in and it'll snap in place. It's pushed in. There we go. And let's snap in. There you go. So now we have a place for your phone. We have an iPhone 11 Pro Max. You can either put it this way, put the phone this way, and you can use this as your cycle, or you can put the phone on the side here, and it holds it really nice, so you can use it for your cycling as well. Our AA batteries are installed. Close up the top. There's our control unit. So this is the cable down here. Just grab this cable, pull it up, and this cable will attach to our computer unit, and we're using a sensing input. See, it says sensor input. Grab the sensor input, plug that in, and that's it. Once that's plugged in, you slide this into your handle, and you are good to go. There it is. So now you have the handle. You have all your settings here, your odometer, your timer, your speed, your distance, your calorie, and your odometer. It's nice. And then, of course, it's adjustable to whatever height you want. All right, let's go ahead and try this. So now, the first time you're on this bike, you want to be able to adjust the height to your height. Once you adjust the seat height, you want to be able to lock it in. Let me just see what my seat height would be. This is a little bit too tall for me. Probably go for the lowest one. Once you find the right seat height, we'll lock it in. So that's locked in right there. Seat height looks good. All right, and then I'll also adjust the handlebar height. And then this is the start and stop. This is how we release it. That's how you do it. Okay, so it has locking mechanisms for your feet. And there's how you pedal. Oh, sweet. So there's different handle position. You have this handle position, this one right here, this one, or you can even stand up and pedal like this. Nice. And you can add resistance, more resistance right here. You have a 35-pound flywheel. You have a water bottle right here. You have a dash control here. So if you need to, like if you're pedaling very fast and you need to stop, you push, and it's like brakes. Nice. Okay, so we can just change the resistance, tighten it for more resistance. Like right now, it's tightened, so it's more resistance. So you really have to pedal to get it to go. Right here, I'm tightening it up. More resistance, more resistance. You see, it's very quiet. And that's how you operate the Yosuda bike. Get in this position right here. Really push the pedal. And of course, you can lock the handle once you dial in the height. There we go, guys. This is the Yosuda indoor cycling bike. Pretty intense. You have the screen right here for your phone, your odometer. You have your resistance setting right here. Man, this is a lot of pressure. There's your resistance pressure, resistance setting. Oh, you can change how hard it is. You have a water bottle right here. Nice solid bike. It's built really well. Stop. That's the emergency brake. We have wheels in the front right there. So if you need to move it around, lift it up, and you have the wheels. So with the wheels, you can move this bike anywhere. Move it, store it. When you're ready to use it, just lower it into position. Simple, easy, effective. Yosuda indoor cycling bike. It has a 265-pound max capacity right here. This thing is built well, good dimensions, excellent way to get a great Peloton style exercise. Awesome bike. I'm out of breath and I was only using this for like a minute. I'm gonna hop onto this and get a full-blown exercise right now. This is an incredible addition to our home gym. It's different than a treadmill, it's different than a pull-up bar. It's cycling exercise motion right here. Indoor cycling bike from Yosuda. Oh yeah.